gonna flush the system of this truck. So in this situation here, I replaced the compressor, the receiver dryer, and the restricted orifice. So now I have to vacuum this. So I didn't really have to evacuate the system because there's no refrigerant, because that compressor or seal has leaked out months ago. So now I have to vacuum the system for 45 minutes. So we only have 2 minutes left, and this is what I'm gonna put in. This is the replacement for our 134A. This is supposed to be environmentally safer than the regular R134A. The only thing I don't like about this is it has that stop leak, because the stop leak can cause blockage on, especially on the orifice system. So before I put it on and put on that refrigerant, I want to make sure this needle doesn't move at all, so it's so that that's the indication that there's no leak in the system. I'm gonna wait maybe another 2 minutes. So make sure you use the low side to put the refrigerant at the high side, and start the engine after you initially introduce the refrigerant, and put it to high on AC so that it will suck in the system. Right now the temperature is 95.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna have to look up the table on what pressure is the ideal pressure for 95 degrees Fahrenheit for 134A. If it's 95 degrees, the pressure on the low should be 55 psi. Right now I'm adding 2 ounces of oil. I already put 1 ounce here, and I'm slowly adding it on through the low side, not on the high side, low side. So I have to switch my manifold gauge to a digital manifold gauge for me to be easily read how much is the pressure on the low side and high side. And right now is 39 degrees. It's about 97 degrees Fahrenheit temperature wise. 39 psi right now on the low. It should be around 50 to 55. So I'm gonna have to add more of the refrigerant, and I'm gonna do this slowly until that jumped so quick right there. Then slowly just trickle it, and then it stabilizes, and then until we reach the 55 degrees, not 55 degrees, but 55 psi. So I got it at 54 psi and 278 at high, and that should be fine. So I'm gonna close this one now and get it done. After running the AC for 15 minutes, the temperature in the cabin keeps going down. It's now 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 36. The temperature outside is 95.1 degrees Fahrenheit. So after the service done, I'm gonna have to replace the cap. dust cap for the service valve of the AC system, so dust don't get in there. And yeah, that's it.